We've got a stunner of a Cobra. It's a 1965 Shelby Cobra by Backdraft. It's a factory-built car, factory painted, factory assembled. Here's their owner's manual that comes with it. There's only about 280 miles on this car, so it's virtually like brand new. Gorgeous colors. It's fully decked out, spinner wheels, independent suspension front and back, and it has a Roush 427R crate motor, 550 horsepower with a 5-speed leather interior. Lots of good stuff I'm going to show you. Go to volocars.com. You'll find 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here, along with all the information and photos and videos and financing. It's all at volocars.com. Scan the QR code that'll be on your screen at any time, and it'll bring you directly to this car. There's a link in the description that'll do the same. If you're hearing background noise, it's raining pretty good. We got a metal roof, so it's a little noisy. But for right now, let's go for a spin. And if you ever go for a spin in one of these, it's pure exhilaration. That's always the word that comes to mind. So the fit and finish is amazing. I did not find a flaw or defect anywhere in the body. It does have the scooped hood. It's the 427 model, so it's got the big rounded wheel wells. All lines up nice and square. Has the louvers on the side. The doors open from the inside. We'll get to that in a little bit. It's called Soul Red. This is a stunning color. It looks like a piece of wet candy. Metallic is very tiny and it's all laid out evenly, polished like glass. I didn't even see stone chips or nicks, not a crack or anything. Black magic is what they call the stripes. It's a dark metallic. I see little tiny speckles of like maybe blue here and there. All of the body and paint is phenomenal, absolutely gorgeous. Again, it's like a piece of wet candy, wet hard candy. Look at that, stunning. It has some paint protection film on both sides right here. The door is beautiful. So the body and paint, amazing. Again, they're painted at the factory. You buy the car completely assembled and put together, minus the motor and transmission, and you go ahead and do that. It has the hash marks on the side. Of course, all of the chrome and trim. Lenses, everything's redone. It has the little bumperettes that was, these were designed for the jack to pick the car up when they were being raced. It has the little rivets around the hood and around the scoop. The polished windshield frame. It has the wing windows and the tinted visors. Stainless steel side pipes, and I like this. It has these heat shields because when you get out, you'll burn your leg on the pipe. So that's a nice touch. Halibrand style wheels. They're actual knockoff spinners. It has the little cable here to keep them on, just like the originals. You can see they're extra wide in back. Those are actually Nitto performance tires, and there's the Goodyear letters on there just to make it a little more nostalgic. Pop-up racing gas cap. Oh, it's a locking cap underneath there. Nice tail lights, same thing back here at the little bumpers. It has the classic one hoop roll bar. I like that. I don't like when they get goofy with them. Got a nice little custom mirror here. So absolutely stunning, stunning car. If I was ever to use the word perfect, I think I'd use it on this one so far. Let's open it up and check it out. Actually, you got enough room in this trunk to go get groceries. It's not bad. And it's all carpeted, even the underside of the trunk lid. It's finished off very nicely in here. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon. You'll be notified when new videos are posted. Let's have weather strips around the doors, and this has the full leather interior package. It has the little pockets on the doors that strap there. You just pull that to open it. You notice there's red stitching. Even the hinges are wrapped. And then when we climb inside here, leather wrapped dash. Turned on the, oh, there goes the wipers. Where's the odometer? Oh, 285 miles on the odometer. I don't know if you can see that. And this is a push button start. I like that. Autometer gauges, has like a carbon fiber look. Little glove box. This is for the spinners on the wheels. With a very well finished interior. Kick panels, everything's carpeted beautifully. As the backdraft mats, it has a master key, shut everything off. You can take it with you if you like. Leather wrapped console with the red stitching. Has the boots around the e-brake and the shifter. It has 4-point harnesses to really hold you in place. If you notice, there's 2 sets of keys as well. So these backdraft seats really hold you in nicely, and along with the belts, you'll feel snug. All leather, red stitching. And I forgot to mention, really important, this is the big and tall model, so it has a deep footwell, and it also has this shelf behind the seat. I think it lets the seat go back a little further. So that's a very desirable feature. It has the nice custom pedals, like a Shelby style steering wheel with aluminum spokes and the wood rim. A really well appointed interior, lives up to the exterior for sure. This motor compartment is show quality. It's like mechanical jewelry. And don't let that kid you though. It's a beast. That's a 427R Roush motor, a crate motor from Roush, 550 horsepower. I like the look of this nice high-rise aluminum intake. It's got a big dual feed polished Holley carburetor with an electric choke, billet distributor. And of course, it's dressed up with some Roush valve covers and air cleaner. Nice looking set. On the front of the motor is a serpentine system with billet pulleys, Power Master alternator. I like the hard pipes on the radiator, upper and lower, aluminum water pump. Check out the power steering system. It's all polished. Not many of these have power steering. That's a nice feature. We have this polished overflow bottle for the aluminum radiator as a big electric fan, keep it cool. The power brakes you can't see, but it's hidden underneath the inner fender. So it's power steering, power brake car. And everything in here is either polished or painted or just absolutely detailed. It doesn't even have road grime on it yet. Coated headers. I probably noticed that. All right, Michael gets the fun job of taking me out for a ride, and we'll see in a little bit.
Absolutely nuts, guys. Every time I get behind the wheel of one of these, it's like driving a go-kart on the craziest steroids available. Absolutely thrilling. Hitting the gas, feeling the acceleration, and then the noise that comes out of those straight pipes. Man, oh man, oh man. And not only do you got that absolutely insane power to weight ratio, but this one with the upgraded big and tall package really gives you a lot more adequate space inside. Very much more comfortable from standard Shelby Cobra. Let's see what she's got. Okay. Oh boy. I absolutely speeding. It is so easy to do. I wasn't even all the way in the throttle, and man, she takes off. But the ride quality is there. Look how nice and straight it goes down the street. I mean, and the front end, look, you need to manipulate the wheel so little She's literally on rails. Love everything about it. Such a nice tight build. So much fun. You can cruise all day too. It's holding temperature too in hot weather. We've already been around the block once. Come take it for a test drive if you'd like to. And check out all the details at volocars.com.
So underneath of this car is brand new. I mean, really, it's spotless. Production built. There's all the little paint dabs on all the nuts and bolts. That means that the guy who was building it tightened and torqued everything, and then they mark it with a little paint dab to let everyone know that it's done. That's the care that you get in a production built car. Versus in someone's garage, you don't know if they went back and did that sort of thing. So anyway, I think it's called the RT4. It's the independent suspension, front and back, full tube chassis, full adjustable suspension front and back, all coilovers, adjustable. They use a BMW front suspension. It's rack and pinion, so you got power rack and pinion steering. And back is a 4-link, again, independent suspension, all adjustable. You adjust the height, all sorts of adjustments. Custom aluminum fuel tank, disc brakes at all 4 of the wheels, an e-brake system. You look up at the motor, it has an extra capacity oil pan, high torque starter. And I wanted to mention too, they even carried the stripes underneath the hood. That's a detail there. It takes extra time, extra money. It's like they didn't miss any of the details on this car. Hydraulic clutch for the Tremec 5-speed transmission. It has a scatter shield, real heavy-duty scatter shield on there. Funny, the drive shafts in these cars are so short. It has an 8.8 rear end in it with 350 posi gears. And again, everything under there looks brand new. So one heck of a car here, folks. It's absolutely stunning. It's one you're going to open the door in your garage in the middle of the night and just look out at the car and just give you the goosebumps. It's so beautiful. And driving it, there's nothing like it. It's only got 280 miles on it. I hope whoever buys the car actually gets it out on the road and enjoys it. You're going to know what I'm talking about. You're going to be in love with this car, the feeling it's going to give you. Go to volocars.com before you miss it. Sales can help answer your questions, including how to get your Backdraft Cobra delivered home. Thanks for watching.